Hey guys, how's it going? It's Rachel Cobb. Today we're in Greenville, South Carolina, checking on the progress of a fire restoration project. As you can see in this unit, we've already made it through the wall insulation phase as well as the rough-in inspections. We are now starting on installing the new drywall, and then we'll continue on to the finished stage of rebuilding this unit. We've already gone through our encapsulation phase where we came in and encapsulated all of the framing that had smoke damage and fire damage, as well as making minor framing repairs. We've installed new windows and exterior entry doors, as well as the wall insulation and the rough-in MEPs, getting to see a real unit start to come back together, and you'll be able to see that we're making this back into somebody's home.